The Day of Assumption of Virgin Mary, 15th August. The Christian feast day of the Assumption of Mary celebrates the belief that God assumed the Virgin Mary into heaven following her death. Assumption Day is celebrated on or around August 15 in many countries, particularly in parts of Europe and South America. It is also called the Assumption of Blessed Virgin Mary, the Dormition of the Most Holy Mother of God in the Eastern countries, or the Feast of the Assumption. The word Assumption comes from the Middle English Assumption, which means a taking up into heaven, and from Latin Assumptio, which means a taking. Important day in the Catholic religion, it is even called the Easter of the summer in some parts of Europe. Also known as the Dormition of the Virgin Mary, it is the principal feast of the Blessed Virgin, the Mother of Jesus Christ. In countries such as Spain and Italy, it marks the start of the annual summer holidays, when many escape the heat of the cities to vacation on the coast or in the hills. Because of its date in the calendar, it is known as the Feast of Our Lady of the Harvest in some parts of Europe. In Anglicanism and Lutheranism, the feast is now often kept, but without official use of the word Assumption. In Eastern Orthodox Church, following Julian calendar, the feast day of Assumption of Mary falls on 28th August. History of the Assumption of Mary. This feast commemorates two events: the departure of Mary from this life and the assumption of her body into heaven. The Church's official doctrine of the Assumption says that at the end of her life on earth, Mary was assumed, body and soul, into heaven. Some mistakenly believe Mary ascended into heaven, which is incorrect according to the Bible. It was Jesus Christ who ascended into heaven by his own power, but Mary was assumed or taken up into heaven by God. Observed as a holiday of obligation by Catholics and as a public holiday in some countries, devotees consider the Feast of the Assumption as the Holy Mother's heavenly birthday. And this is not a day of mourning for her loss, but a celebration of joy for the union of the mother with her beloved son. According to Saint John of Damascus, the Roman Emperor Marcian requested the body of Mary, Mother of God, at the Council of Chalcedon in 451. Saint Juvenal, who was Bishop of Jerusalem, told the emperor that Mary died in the presence of all the apostles, but that her tomb, when opened upon the request of Saint Thomas, was found empty. The apostles concluded that the body was taken up to heaven, the saint recorded. Pope Pius XII in 1950 defined that Mary, after the completion of her earthly life, was assumed body and soul into the glory of heaven. Her body wasn't allowed to corrupt, nor was it allowed to remain in a tomb, though there are claims by some cities about possessing her temporary tomb. In the early Christian centuries, relics of saints and those who gave their lives for the faith were jealously guarded and highly prized. Many cities claim the mortal remains of saints, both famous and little known, but there are no records of Mary's bodily remains being venerated anywhere. As this is a religious holiday, the Assumption is most commonly celebrated by devotees by attending Mass, where the subject of the sermon is usually the Virgin Mary. It is a holiday of obligation and Catholics are required to attend Mass. Celebration of Assumption Day. Colorful processions through the streets and firework displays mark the celebration of the Feast of the Assumption in Italy, as they do in Italian American communities throughout the United States. In Sicily and rural areas outside Rome, a bowing procession is the day's main event. A statue of Virgin Mary is carried through the town to a ceremonial arch of flowers where a group of people holding a statue of Christ awaits her arrival. Both statues are inclined toward each other 3 times, and then the Christ figure precedes the figure of Mary back to the parish church for a special benediction. In Sao Paulo and other parts of southern Brazil, the feast is called Nossa Senhora dos Navigantes, or Our Lady of the Navigators. Pageants are held on decorated canoes, each carrying a captain, a purser, 3 musicians, and 2 rowers. They travel to small villages to entertain and feast. Towns may have small church processions with musicians whose costumes and demeanors depict the 3 wise men who are mentioned in the Bible. In previous years, some Italian plazas were flooded. Citizens would ride through the temporary lakes in carriages, and it was common for people to carry bowls of rose-scented water which they sprinkled on themselves, possibly a carryover from a pagan ritual in which the gods were petitioned to provide adequate rainfall for the crops, or as a tribute to the pagan goddess Isis of the sea. Assumption Day is also an important holiday in France, where the Virgin Mary has been the patron saint since 1638. Assumption Day is a public holiday in countries such as Austria, Belgium, Chile, Croatia, France, parts of Germany, Guatemala, Greece, Italy, Poland, Portugal, Slovenia, Spain, and Switzerland. The holiday may be regional or limited to certain groups in Switzerland. However, Assumption Day is not a public holiday in countries such as Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States.